I'll admit it, I've done a few things that I shouldn't be proud of. I got no remorse, no regrets, never happy endings on these dark sets. And if you wanna get down, I can go down as low as you wanna get. I wouldn't try to push me, it'll only leave you with regret. Don't test me, I can whip you off and steal all your cash. Sucker punch you in the face, stand back and laugh. Leave you stranded as fast as a heart attack. All day I think bad thoughts. I can break your heart at the drop of a hat. Stab you in the back in 2 minutes flat. Screw your girl in the back of my Cadillac. I think bad thoughts. Take this to the streets, finish it, flush it down the toilet like you're taking a piss. It should be good to see for a change just a day how the other